Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. I just thought to make a quick video about the current market outlook on gold. For quite a while now, we've been seeing this rapid bullish movements, and there was no sign of weakness for quite a long time until yesterday. Before then, I'm just going to give a brief overview of how the market has been playing out. So we entered into this very long ascending triangle formation, and that was a very significant period of time because we enjoyed the swings. It was nice when we had a clear direction. All those issues within the war in Ukraine, Israel, the United States issues, and all those things all played out tariff and shit. But recently, what we're seeing is the effects of the news. Somewhere around this period, I think, yeah, I'm just gonna light that here. So somewhere around here was when Jerome Powell made the speech and said there's a possibility for the US to cut on interest rates due to the inflation threats. And he was very, very dovish about that because it sounded like it was a big problem for the United States. And of course, the market reacted very fast, almost immediately. And we saw that jump from the long-term consolidation on gold from 33.20 to about 33.75. That was almost 500 pips instant news effect. That was a very significant period for the gold market, the future direction. So after then, we've been seeing let me take this out here. Yeah. So after then, we've been seeing price consistently, moving, but in a very sluggish pace. It was up and down. So there was not a clear direction of if the market is going to continue reacting to the news or it's going to probably drop back down and pick up later. But to our surprise, we saw a good kickoff significantly on the 28th of August. That was the last week of August. And since then, we've been on this ascending bullish move. And there is strong momentum, as you can see, even on the RSI right now. But then, so yesterday, we saw gold from this in the on a 4 hour time frame, which is a very significant indicator for me to spot possible reversals and end of a trend. So the strength of the bullish continuation is currently very low, and I'm going to show you guys that shortly. So when we pick these 2 points, multiple points actually, we can see that the RSI is not showing us the same momentum as we were seeing previously. So now we're seeing a decline in the RSI strength, and that tells us that there's a possibility for a divergence being formed here very soon, just like what we have here. And whenever we have this kind of strong divergence, we can see the effect that comes up. We see the follow-up downtrend for a long period of time again before the market picks up back again. And now we're seeing the same thing here. And I'm going to put this just to give us a clear indication of what we're looking at. So picking up this region to this region, and that's what our focus is right now. So we're very far above the 200-day moving average. And also, most likely, we could see price try to come back to this moving average. It's a very normal thing whenever we see this rapid euphoric price movement. And I'm going to go down to the hourly time frame. So on the hourly time frame, we saw this very divergence happened. I think that was yesterday, 2nd of October, the 2nd of September rather, between these points and these points. But now we're seeing also another divergence again between these points currently and these points. So this is also, I'm going to just quickly highlight these two uh, moves, yeah, here, and also from here to here. So these are second level, price interest. Now, this tells us that there's high possibility, very high possibility of us seeing gold start reversing, very soon. So we had the first divergence cut and what the second divergence cut. And on the 4 hour time frame, we also saw that indication as well for a larger divergence formation. And that tells us that is the strength index, that which is the RXI. So the relative strength index for the bullish continuation is wind out. So guys, while the market still looks very bullish, while of course gold is in the long-term bullish position, and I believe strongly that come November there will be likely high possibility for that rate cut to be achieved. And when that happens, there is a high possibility for us to see gold rise up to as high as 3,800. But for now, the current market reality we have right now is telling us that while we are all so bullish on gold, we should try to care and expect a reversal. So while I've already highlighted all of this information, I'm going to show you guys something to watch out for today. So we have this formation already here. I'm going to just pick up these two level and drop it down here. So now this is definitely our current channel, which the price is working on the upper band and the lower band. But then we are expecting, I'm expecting a breakout. So I'm going to leave that here for a while and take this one out. So I'm expecting another breakout and a possible breakout to maybe something below 3,500, and I'll be looking towards a short position for a week. I usually trade on swings. So that will be my clear indication that, okay, yes, truly the divergence holds. We have a breakout as a second indication for a confirmation of our sell trade, and then we can go short on gold. I believe it's going to be a heavy fall, and I'm expecting us to see price fall as low. I'm just going to pick up this and show you guys the short position. So I'm expecting price to fall as low. This is be good entry points, a good SL. Price to fall as low as a retest, probably here, sometime around here. That will be 1,600 pips drop in price movement. So that could take us back, to retest uh, our breakout entry points for the ascending triangle, and which makes sense because whenever we have a price breakout, we expect a retest before the continued market movement. So that's what I'm expecting, guys. Finger crossed. Trade safe, trade smart as always, and pay attention to these indications. They are very clear direction of what we should expect in the market next. All right, guys. Cheers.